Good morning, everyone. Class 12, Subject Biology, Chapter 2 Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants. Let's begin the topic pollination. Transfer of pollen grain to stigma of a pistil is termed pollination. Kind of pollination: autogamy, heterogamy, and xenogamy. Autogamy, a figure self pollinated flower. The transfer of pollen from the anther of a flower to stigma of same flower. Next, heteronogamy, cross pollinated flower. Xenogamy, chasmogamy, chasmogamy, clistogamy, clistogamous flower, cosmogamous flower, cosmogamous flower, which are similar to flowers of other species with exposed anthers and stigma. Cross pollination. Exposed chasmogamous means exposed reproductive organ producing flowers that open. Chasmo, clistogamous flower. Clistogamous flower flowers which do not open at all. In such flowers, the anther and stigma lie close to each other, having small unopened self-pollinated flowers. Next, autogamy, transfer of pollen grain from the anther to the stigma of the same flowers in as normal flower which open exposes the anther and the stigma. Complete autogamy is rather rare. Heteronogamy, transfer of pollen grain from the anther to the stigma of another flower of same plant. Heteronogamy is functionally cross-pollination involving a pollinating agent. Xenogamy, transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of different plants. This is only type of pollination which during pollination bring genetically different types of pollen grains to the stigma. Agents of pollination. Agent of pollination: abiotic and biotic. Abiotic, wind and water. Biotic, animals. Abiotic, corn, cob, wind pollination is quite common in grasses. Water, hydrilla hallucinella. Animal: bees, butterflies, birds, hummingbirds, bats are common pollinating agent. Double fertilization. Double fertilization, the fusions of one female gametes with two male gametes. Show in this the figure. Polar nuclei, haploid, and this is pollen tube, and this is sperm and cells, haploid cells. Polar nuclei, then triploid, 3n endosperm, endosperm, zygote 2n, diploid, and zygotes converted to embryo sac, embryo 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 2n, and fruit ovary, this layer is seed coat ovule. It is called ovule. Double fertilization, angiosperm. The process when the one sperm fuses with the egg while the other sperm fuses with two polar nuclei. Two polar nuclei. When pollen tube enters ovule, it strikes one of the synergids means fused, and burst open to release the two male gametes, which fuses with two different structure in the same female gametophyte. The fusion with two polar nuclei form endosperm. दिख रहा है आपको फिगर में, शो इन दिस द फिगर endosperm, two polar nuclei and one. अब यहाँ पे क्या होगा, फ्यूजन ऑफ वन मेल गैमेट्स विद एग एंड अदर विद सेकेंडरी न्यूक्लियस. इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ डबल फर्टिलाइजेशंस या सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन. Importance of double fertilizations give stimulus to the plant due to which ovary develops into fruit and ovules develop into seeds. It restores the diploid conditions by fusions of haploid male and female gametes. It results in the formation of diploid zygote which develops into an embryo and gives rise to a new plant. Thank you class. This lecture is complete and next lecture is continue this topic. Thank you.